Hello guys, I am Mary Jane Allen. I'm going to show you on how to use the noise modifier to make a simple wave and water in a 3ds Max. First, I'm going to create a plane in my perspective viewport with the length of 200 and also with a width of 200. After that, I will change the name into water and also change the into blue just to look it more realistic. After that, I want to increase my length segment and width segment. So first click the plane and go to modify. Make sure that your length segment is 40 and also your width segment is 40. So now that I have my mesh made, I will add my noise modifier. Just click the plane and go to modifier list and find the noise, and I will adjust the C to look more wavy. You can also adjust the Y and Z. So let's have 20. Yes, and it will look like this. You see the curve. Next, click the fractal, and that's going to dramatically change the way that my water looks. So if you prefer this look for your scene, feel free to play with the Z-axis again until you get your desired result. And now we want to make this water move. So if you notice that we have a box here says animation, just click the animate noise and change its frequency into 0.01. Done. And let's play. Yes, you will see that. And exit. Alright, so obviously water is always moving. It's not just staying stationary, as you know. Water is moving towards beaches. It's moving outward into the ocean. So what we can do, we can actually animate this orange gizmo around our plane to make it our water move in one direction. I'm going to click on the plus button next to my noise modifier, and where stock in my gizmo, it will see that orange box around my blue plane here turns yellow. So if I drag my time slider to 0, I turn on my auto key and I drive this gizmo along the x-axis like this. You will notice that my water is also moving in this direction. Let's play. Yes, it will look like that. And you'll see that it's looking pretty good. So the next step is click the material editor and find the water material that you want to use. So let's click this and click the bitmap and pull water, open, and drag this into this, and let's see, it will look like that. And X. So let's see what will happen. So that's it. So I hope that it helps you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. Thank you.